So today we're going to reactivate our sourdough. Look, there's my sourdough. Now that's going to go in my bread tonight anyway, because obviously that's almost the end of life, to be honest. Well, it can still be used, but I'm just going to throw it in the bread tonight. So this is the sourdough. Now this is 8 ounces. So I'm going to put this into the bowl like this. And you want 10 ounces of water. And a pound of flour. Just sling it all in together. Don't have to muck around. Like that. And then we're just going to mix this up. If you've not got one of these machines, let's turn it on first. Yep, that's what I like about this machine. It's got a light on so you can see exactly what you're doing. So on the side here, now you can use the warmer, but for this one you won't be. So we want to mix this up for around about 5 minutes. So that's off. So we just want to put that on 1 minimum. And that's going to be 5 minutes. And that'll be plenty long enough. And all we do then is press this in. And off it goes. It's nothing like watching a dough go round and round. And we'll see what this looks like in 5 minutes time. So I've decided to knock this on to basically first speed. This is like a tick over speed. So I'm going to put it onto first speed. If you haven't got one of these machines, once again on there it's got that minimum. Just knock it up like this. That looks nice. And we'll come back in 5 minutes time. So that's our dough, it's ready. And that is it. And that's what it wants to look like. It's almost like, how can I describe it? It's soft, but it's okay. If you know what I mean. You could make a loaf of bread out of this really as it is. All we need to do then is put it into a container like this. It's got a lid on it, so just scrape that out. Plonk it in the bowl like that. So all we need to do is just leave that like this now, put the lid on, and just wait for that to puff up. All right, and then it's ready to use. It's that simple. Reactivating your sourdough.